Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a specialist speech therapist and I am the author of Ultimate Speech Sounds and creator of the avatar DARA. DARA is available in 7 different English-speaking accents. This includes Australian, Irish, English and American, as well as South African, Canadian and New Zealand. So now you have access to a tool that uses the correct accent to model to your child. All the DARA animations are available in an app through my website on Resourceible.com. I'll put a link below so you can find it. Today's video is in an American English accent and we're going to have a look at the sound J. 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 You can find out more about DARA through my website Resourceible.com. J, J, J. D, T, D, T, D. D, J, D, J, D, J, D, J, D, J, D, J, D, D, D. J, 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 J. J, J. You can also find time-saving and cost-effective resources covering all areas of speech and language therapy on my website. They're all in PDFs that are available immediately for an instant download. And there might be a few freebies too. I hope you have found this video helpful and I look forward to you joining me on Resourceible.com.